Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We will demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150 that we have, guys, but even if you have a different year, the video may be very helpful. This is the fuse box that's under the hood next in your engine bay, right above, guys, the radiator fan. When you open the fuse box, you have the relays, fuses. Some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping. But let me explain, guys, let us explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we'll need to work on will be in that row right here, and right next to that relay, the first fuse on the left side, that 20 amp fuse, that will be the one for the cigarette lighter, guys. For any of you that has a damaged cigarette lighter socket that can cause the fuse to burn, we have a special video, okay, on Auto Repair Guys YouTube channel, on the other channel that we're running, guys, that explains how to replace cigarette lighter socket. Check it.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.